Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a room tour. So my room is a little different. I got it through Make-A-Wish. I had my room completely redone. So when I'm going through, I don't know where everything is exactly, but I do know where some stuff is. So I'll try to give you some ideas of where I think things are from. So let's get into it. So my room is on the first floor. There's this little hallway, and then there's a bathroom right there. And then so when you walk into my room, this is what it looks like, an overview. So first I have like my desk area. So this garbage can is from Bed Bath & Beyond. I'm not sure where this chair is from, and then this desk I think is IKEA, and this area is a little messy, but this is where I do like my homework and my makeup. So in this drawer I have my makeup. It's not that organized, and I have like the drawer from IKEA upstairs that like everyone has, but this is more of like my everyday stuff. Over here I have my perfumes. I just have 2 of the Victoria's Secret ones, and then 2 from Sephora. And then here I just have face stuff. So I have setting spray. I have the Mario Badescu drying lotion, and then some Mario Badescu spray. And then here I just have some lip products right here, and then I have nail stuff over here because I've started doing my nails on my own, and then brushes. And then over here I have my computer, my glasses, AirPods, and then my planner. And then here I just have some books about makeup mostly. And here is mostly like lotions and lip balms. So that's what's over there. And then over here I'm not even going to show you because it's so cluttered, but this is like my hospital bag for like when we have to go in the middle of the night. And then this is just junk. And then I have a little nail dryer that I got off Amazon, and then a tripod that I was borrowing. And then I also have this picture, these little gold hardware things. I'm not even sure what you would call them. I have this picture of like a cactus. I have like this hanging thing, and then this little picture of a car. And then over here I have just like pictures with friends, and like the string lights up, so that's pretty cool. And then over here I have my mirror, and then there's just little fairy lights around it. This mirror is from Urban Outfitters, and then fairy lights you can just really get wherever. So then going over to my bed area, on this side I have this shelf thing. So on the top I have my Polaroid and just like some decorative books on top of it. I have all my bathing suits in this little container, and then I have some essential oils and a speaker. And then down here I have my oil diffuser. I have a swell, and then some more decorative books and like little geode rock things, and then this little thing that says like xoxo. And then down here I like to keep a water bottle by my bed because I get really thirsty at night. And then I just have this sign that says "You Glow Girl." And then these are all like the books that I've read. So I'm currently reading this one, The Castle on Sunset, and then all of these are books that I've already read. And then on the last shelf, this is where like some of my shoes are on display. These are from Topshop, and these are from Charlotte Russe, I think. And then going back up, I have like this little sconce nightlight thing, and then I have it on this side also. And then I have this really big Prada tapestry. This headboard is from Urban Outfitters, and then these are my pillows. Here, I'll give you a view of the bed. So I have 2 of those furry pillows. The Namaste in Bed pillows, also from Urban Outfitters. And then this bear is like a little ostomy bear. It has like a little bag on it, which is super cute, and like a little stoma. And then I have this bench, like that's like furry, and it's very soft, very comfortable. And then going over here, I have another one of these bookshelves. So on the top shelf, I have like these bookends that are pineapples, and then just some decorative books. On this shelf, I have some more books about like fashion and makeup. And then on top, I have this candle that a friend gave to me. And then I have like this like anxiety putty thing that smells like lavender. Then coming down here, I have a picture of my friend and I, and then I have this little cactus thing, and then just some more books. And then down here, I just have some socks in there. And then this one, I have my Converse, and then just another pair of heels in it. And then right next to there, I have my closet. So this is just like more like hanging stuff, like sweaters and rompers and dresses and that type of stuff. So I have all that stuff. And then going over here, I have this little dream catcher thing that's also a mirror, and then I have just like bracelets and chokers and necklaces on there. So that's very cute. And then here are like my everyday shoes. So I have my Nike slides, I have my UGG slippers, and then these slippers that I got from Amazon. And then I have my Air Force Ones, I have a pair of Adidas, just like some super old flip-flops. I have my Nike running shoes. These pink ones are also Adidas, and then I have these vintage Havana high tops that I really like. So this is my dresser area. I just keep, there's a very dead plant right here, but I just keep my mainly sunglasses and then winter hats. So in this like little tray thing, I have a picture of my sister and I, and then just like my earrings, and then this little jar that has nothing in it. I have like a clutch from homecoming or something, I honestly don't know. 2 winter hats, sunglasses, they all look the same. This little sign, this letterboard sign that says be strong, be fearless, be beautiful, be a fighter, which I really like. I have this little picture frame of like a, what do they call, like a mandala or something, and then it has just like a little N keychain on it. So in my drawers, in this one, there's like bras, underwear, sports bras, and then workout tops. Then this one, I have leggings, shorts, and workout shorts, and then jeans. This one has just like all my t-shirts, tank tops, tube tops, crop tops, just like tops. And then this one has pajama pants and pajama shirts. So that is everything that's in my room. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm sorry I couldn't tell you where everything was from, but a lot of this, or everything, was given to me by Make-A-Wish, and like we completely redid the walls, we recarpeted, and then like every single thing in here is brand new, like all the furniture and everything. So that was very kind of them. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like and comment and definitely subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.